In this video, I'm going to solve my phantom cube. What's special about it is that it's black, but when there's heat, colors show up. It was gifted by my brother's friend. He also has a YouTube channel. It is called Jane is the Best. Link is in the description. Please subscribe to his channel. Let's get started. So I'm just gonna mess this up just because there's no heat in it. I think I messed it up good. Now I'm gonna have to heat it up. Already got some heat. Already see some heat. Heat, 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 heat. Come on. Need more heat. Just keep waiting, keep waiting. I got this. Got these pieces. Oh. I think I'll start. And this is the Rubik's cube side. Okay, I'm starting now. Time to solve this cube. I already see the color is great. Got the white cross. Oh my god, I can't even see. Looks like it's so dirty. Looks like you didn't paint it well. Looks like you're painting a cube, but you haven't even painted it. Doesn't even look that good. I can heat it up. See? Look at all these colors. Got this. Okay, got the second layer. And got the cross. Okay, got this. Okay, now just the last algorithm. Same algorithm. And solved. Just gonna heat this cube up so you can look at it. Now you can obviously see this. Look at this. Looks like a normal cube. And I got my other cubes to show you. It looks the exact same. Upset this thing. It just looks the same, just a little brighter. I'm gonna put this cube away. Look at that. When I get 50 subscribers, I'm going to solve my mirror cube. So please do me a favor and like those videos, watch them, and subscribe. Bye. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Follow it with me.